Okay, so how to use data classes in Python? So first we will import from data classes, import data class, and here we'll use the decorator data class. You create a class, let's say example for student, and then you put the name. This is string is let's say this is int, and this is done. And let's say use it student. You just pass the name XYZ and is the three done. And without data classes, how you can use is student. Then you have to initiate the constructor def net um, name. Just writing the string type. Okay, that's not done. It is. And here you have to pass self dot. Yep, this is how you'll do. I think with the data classes, it's pretty much neat and clean, right? That's all. Thank you.